Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see message trace in Microsoft Defender portal. In Microsoft 365, organizations with mailboxes in Exchange Online or standalone Exchange Online protection, organizations without Exchange Online mailboxes, message trace follows email messages as they travel through the Microsoft 365 organization. It will be easy for you to determine if a message was received, rejected, deferred, or delivered by the service. It also shows what actions were taken on the message before it reached its final status. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the security.microsoft.com, and if under email and collaboration, if you would click on threat tracker, it will take you, if you'll click on exchange message trace, it will take you to the Exchange Admin Center and will take you to the message trace section. You can use the information from message trace to efficiently answer user questions about what happened to messages, troubleshoot mail flow issues, and validate policy changes. If you would see the summary report in the message trace, it contains the information that helps you answer user questions and troubleshoot mail flow issues. The summary report enables you to view the report in a file that can be opened in Windows Explorer, also known as File Explorer. Here it is, downloadable reports. I have no data available. You can use the View in Explorer option in the message trace search results under the Exchange Admin Center. Okay, what do you need to know before you begin using message trace? The maximum number of messages that are displayed in the results of a message trace depends upon the report type you selected. Okay, you need to be assigned permissions before you can do the procedures in this message trace section. For Exchange Online permissions, you should have membership in the organization management, compliance management, or help desk role groups. Under the Microsoft Entra permissions, you should either be Global Administrator or Compliance Administrator. So you will open message trace from security.microsoft.com, go to email and collaboration, and click on Exchange Message Trace. It will take you into the new Exchange Admin Center portal. And if you want to go directly to the Exchange Admin Center portal, log on to admin.exchange.microsoft.com and then go to message trace. And if you want to read more about it, you can read more about it in the message trace in the new Exchange Admin Center in Exchange Online on the Microsoft documentation. Because I don't have the option to run a trace, so I'll just show you. If you will click on start a trace, it will open up a new message trace flyout, right? That opens the default sections, search for all messages for all senders, recipients, time range, delivery status, message ID, direction, original client IP address, right? And you can click on search, it will list out all the things. Other than that, you can use the default queries that are available. Okay, and if you want to know the detailed search options, you would have all, or you could select custom time range from here, report type as well. Under the report type, you can also select if you want a summary report or enhanced summary report, extended report, what all options you have here. You can read what kind of reports they are. All right. So this is what I wanted to tell you about message trace or exchange message trace per se in the Defender portal. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.